Hi guys, in this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can add Amazon affiliate links to your TikTok videos. This is going to be a step-by-step video. So first, of course, you will have to sign up for Amazon affiliate program. If you haven't done that already, you just need to search for Amazon Associate. Okay, so after that, you want to click on Amazon.com Associate, and you will have to enter there your own information like your home address. Of course, they will ask you also for a website. Now you don't have to put there a real website. You can just add, for example, your TikTok account, okay, or you can add something like your Twitter or whatever, okay. Any website you have, any platform you have, you can add the URL there, and then you will be accepted into the Amazon Associate. Now after you are on this page, that means you have already signed up for Amazon Associate. Now what you guys need to do is you want to just go to your Amazon, your normal Amazon account, and you want to find a product that you want to promote on your TikTok videos. Okay, so first thing you need to do, guys, is you want to find the product that you want to promote on your TikTok videos. I'm going to search here for okay, game chair, okay, or gaming chair. Okay, I'm going to search here for gaming chair, and I'm going to find, for example, any gaming chair here. Okay, so I'm going to click on this one. Okay, so after you are on the product page, you want to click on here. Okay, now you will see this bar in the top. After you sign up for Amazon affiliate, this bar will appear on the top of the Amazon. Okay, so you want to click on here that says get link. You want to click on get link, and then you can either choose here a full link or a short link. So I always go with short link because it's shorter and people likely going to click on the short link compared to long link, because it's full link, it looks really ugly and people like will be scared to click on it. But the short link is very looks really professional. Now I want to copy the link, and what you guys need to do, you want to go to the TikTok app, okay, or if you are using TikTok on your laptop, you can just do the exact same steps. Now here, as you can see, I'm going to go to TikTok, and this is my TikTok account. Now to add this link to your TikTok videos, first you will have to add this link on the bio of your TikTok. Now you want to just, after you open your TikTok account, click on your profile at the very bottom left, as you can see, and then you want to click on edit profile. Okay, so after, guys, you click on edit profile, if you can see here something called the website here, as you can see in their business information, you can see here website. You want to click on it, and you want to put the URL of that product here so that people will click on it, and it's going to be clickable, and people, if they click on it, it will redirect them, or it will take them directly to your Amazon, to the Amazon product, and if they buy the product, then you are going to earn a commission. By the way, even if they don't buy the exact same product within 24 hours, for example, they change their mind or they put something completely different from the product that you are trying to promote, you are still going to earn a commission. And that's the beauty of Amazon affiliate program. They let you earn commissions just because someone clicked on your product. As you can see on the product you are trying to promote, like even if they don't buy that product, they close the Amazon, and after like 5 hours they put something completely different, you are still going to earn a commission, anything they buy within 24 hours. Okay, so after you add that link here, click on save, and if you are after now you post any video, make sure you add that exact link in the tags here or the hashtags. Of course, it's not going to be clickable. In my experience, it's not going to be clickable, but after you paste any video here, you can do that. Of course, after in the comments, you can also mention that the link in bio, okay, so people will go to your bio. That's exactly what professional companies do. They just add the link here or they don't even add the link here. They just add something like link in bio. So if you are trying to promote a product, and people will go to the bio and you will be able to click on that link. Okay, you can also add it, like I said, in here, or you can add hashtags. You can add something like link in bio, and you can also try to add the URL there and see if it's clickable, if people click on it and it takes them directly to the website, which I don't think it's going to work. It only works here on the bio here. So if they click on the product, it will take them directly to the website, so go to the product. So that's exactly what you need to do, guys. If this website option is not available, let me know in the comments and let me know how many followers you have on your TikTok. I might try to help you. Make sure you drop a like on this tutorial, and make sure you tell me exactly how many, if you have this website feature on your TikTok or not? Just let me know and I will give you guys a solution within a few minutes. And yeah, see you guys in the next tutorial.